Yarn Talk Monday, tacos and queso. This week in my crochet world. Our queso, aka Casey, is coming to the end of his journey. He has been with our family since 2019 and is now a very sick old man. On Thursday, he will get to rest and no longer be in pain. I love you, Casey. Hello. I'm here again, and we're going to talk about things that happened during the week and what I've been up to. Sneak peek, woohoo! Okay, let's get to it, guys. Hello. Okay, guys, it's Angie from the Yarn Room. Thank you for coming here and joining me in my little room. And on to my right side, I have my AI challenge that is almost completely finished. So we'll be trying to make a video of that soon. So look, I made this while I was just sitting there watching some shows, and it's just using what is that yarn kind? The name brand? No, that's not my thing either. There it is. It's Red Heart, I believe. Red Heart Super Saver. And it is Bright Stripe. Red Heart. Red Heart, my heart. Yes. That's what I used on this. And I thought that I was going to put a strap that I salvaged off of a purse. And here it is. I love this strap because it has the shoulder, the crossbody or shoulder strap, and then a hand strap attached to it. But the thing is, it's two flaps, and I can't cut that off, in which I don't want to cut it off, so I'm going to really have to glue that on really, really well. And I don't know if I like it for this bag or not, so we'll see. I might have to make a handle for that bag. But that's what I was working on. And then I still need to make the closure for here. I have the loop, and so I usually like to put like a pom-pom. Well, those dogs are going to town now, aren't they? Let me go shut the door. So now I get to add this bag to my other collections of bags that need to be lined and everything. If I don't have it ready for this weekend's market, I will have it ready for Comic-Con. But I started out with single crochets at the bottom. Started with 8. And I think I went to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm trying to count my increases here. I think I went up to the 7 single crochet increase mark at this black right here, and then it's just all single stitches per stitch. And I had gone from, what do you call that, single crochet to double crochet, so it's a lot more looser. And it does, if you're going to put little things like pencils and things, it will come out of here, so I wouldn't do that. But I want to make a liner for that. I always love purses that are like little bubbly at the bottom, and I love the stripes on this, guys. So I need to make a good, this will be the front, a good little something here to be the clasp, a little pom-pom, a little ball. Anyways, I'll figure it out. Okay, next thing is I'm working on my AI, doing the final touches of what the AI is, and hopefully I will be making a video today. I got other errands to run. Let's see. Oh, my baby. I don't know if I ever showed y'all. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is my little Maggie. Isn't she beautiful? She passed in, I think, 2022. So that means we had her for 10 years because I rescued her from the shelter. She was a gorgeous baby. Anyways, I'm just here looking at, trying to find my picture of my AI so I can go and finish it. But I might be working on it here in a little bit. Last weekend was my birthday. Ooh. So there's something I wanted to show y'all. Oh yeah, last weekend was my birthday and I got lots of love from my family. And I think I told you all this, but I have a friend, Pink Froggy. She follows me on here. If you go on my, on any of my lives, she participates a lot in that. So anyway, she bought me Christmas presents, birthday presents. And she knows what I like. Yeah. And this one is sea coral. I love it. I love it. And I think I have some still here. I'm going to go ahead and put her up right there. And then she bought me another one, Red Heart. And this one is Mexicana. Woo, 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 woo. Love it. I can't reach it up there. And then she bought me another one. Super Saver. Neon stripes. It looks similar, but it's not. See that? Okay. So that is that. And she also makes these. She made me some more hooks. She's the one who made my Ursula hooks. And she gave me some more hooks. Who doesn't love this from, what's the name of that show? Buzz Lightyear. Toy Story. Look how cute. We are eternally grateful. I love this little guy. So cute. I love these little bags that she puts them in. Love it, love it, love it. So nice. She's going to also be at the market also this weekend selling her hooks. Oh, that's so sensitive there, mine. Okay. And Cinderella. My favorite princess is Cinderella. She's the one I grew up with. She's the one I wanted to be like. Oh, and look, I forgot. She adds the letter for the hook. I don't ever know what the letters are, but I can always Google them, right? But I think that these she gave me are 4 and 5. I don't think this one has a letter. Oh, it does have a letter on it. I didn't even pay attention. A G. Okay. So that's what I got from her, Miss Pink Froggy. I'm going to have to fight with this now. Okay. And I have another friend, and her husband found something for me. And he's a sweet, sweet guy. He follows me here too. And I hear from him every now and then on the lives. And I see him periodically during the craft, our yarn group meetings. He found this for me, and I didn't open it until I showed you. Look at this, unicorn scissors. He knows me. He and his wife know me. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Isabel. Thank you. I'm tearing it open now because I want to use these. Oh, wait. I need scissors for these. I need scissors to release the scissors. Not those scissors. Gonna need some little scissors. Gee whiz. Okay, got it. Release the unicorn. Isn't that cute? Let me see if I can do it in the light. So cute. Thank you, guys. And I'm going to keep my yarn in there for now until I put it up. But, so I had a great birthday. What else? I got some cookies. I got taken out to dinner. Did I tell you this already? Anyways, and then also the big treat of the week was the housekeepers called me and asked if I wanted them to come and clean. And I said yes, because this house is a mess and I'm too busy crocheting to clean. So they came, and while they came, I rearranged my room a little bit. And I'm going to move my desk somehow. Not sure how, but I'm going to. Yes, don't know. Okay, so anything else? Craft show. As soon as I have the craft show, I'm going to, which is next Saturday, I'm going to let you know how that went. Look at this. I'm going to have a lot of these. And I haven't put any flowers on any of them, and I really, really should. I know, I'm pretty boring. Made a taco during one of my lives. Did y'all get to see that? So adorable. I used to make a lot of these, and we've sold out of them, and I forgot that I made them, and I kind of remembered how to do it. I don't know if I'm making them the same way I made them whenever I made them before, but look how cute. How cute. And I made it into a keychain. Or it can just hang on your bag. Whatever you want. It's so cute. I have my live so that where I made this with the pattern in the description. So if you're interested in making that, I might make a tutorial on how to make this. I was yawning. But let's see. What else? Cleaned my closet out. I got rid of 2 big trash bags of trash. I'm looking over and I see my box of eyeballs in the trash. How did that happen? I'm afraid that I have thrown so many things away without knowing that I threw them away. And I'm kind of glad I can't remember because, dang it, I would be so sad. Oh, look. Like I said, I was cleaning out my, closet. And I found also this that I made. I could be making little cookie keychains again. And I need to buy keychains like this. This is so adorable. So those are going to go in my pile to sell. Also upcoming is going to be the AI challenge for April. And it's already the 12th. And I want that to at least be a very simple one that I can make quickly. But I didn't even know it was already the 12th. So we're halfway through the month. And then we have Easter, and then we have another event on the weekend. Oh, I have so many things to do. And so that's going to be coming up. And also, I want to make another tutorial about recycle, reuse. So I have a little project there waiting for me. So we'll work on that. Are y'all ready? I'm here.
I'm here.
Are you here? 'Tis all. I'm tired. But you don't want to hear about that part.
Okay.
Thank you for joining me here in the yarn room. You will see me in lives and wherever else you see me. So thank you for being here, and thank you to all my subscribers and all my TYR Hooker members. I really appreciate it. If you want to support my channel, you can become a member by going to my channel page. You can leave me super thanks, super chats, whatever you want, or just watch my shows. Okay, guys. See y'all later.